Hi guys, my name is Richa Raj, and in this video we are going to discuss the importance of the introduction in your essay writing task 2. The common type of essay which you are going to see in your examinations are opinion type, discussion type, advantage disadvantage type, direct questions type, problem solutions type, agree or disagree type. And I'm pretty much sure that whichever type of essay you'll get in your exam will belong to one of these categories. So before jumping into the introduction writing, let's revise the basic framework strategy, which I personally believe that works for everyone. And if you follow that step by step, then you'll end up getting at least 7 in your writing section. So essay consists of 4 parts: introduction, followed by the 2 body paragraphs, then the conclusion. In the introduction, we basically have 3 sentences, beginning with the background statement. Then you have then you basically paraphrase your questions in your own words, and then you actually write what the essay is all about, or you mention your opinion. Then comes the body paragraph, wherein you pick up the one strongest point about the essay, you explain that point, give the example, and then mention the closing statement. Again, in the body para 2, you start with the second most main point, explain it further, give the example, and give the closing statement. And in conclusion, you conclude or basically paraphrase the question. And again, if you didn't mention the opinion in your introduction, then you can mention your opinion here in the conclusion. And if you mentioned your opinion in the introduction here, then you need not to repeat it. You just need to summarize whatever you discussed in your essay. Now comes the very crucial part, which is the writing of a perfect introduction. And for me, guys, a perfect introduction forms a crucial part of the essay. And anyone who masters it, consider that your half the battle is won. Because a perfect introduction binds the examiner, creates the interest in your essay, and it's really easy for the examiner to link to the essay if the beginning is very good. So, as we already discussed in the introduction, you should first make a general statement connected to the topic. Then you should paraphrase the same exam question, the same question in your own words. And finally, you need to say what are you going to do in the essay. It could be the general statement, or you can express your opinion. Let's look at an example. Although there are like 5 or 6 types of essay, I have picked 2 essays, and let's see how the introduction works in these type of essays. First is the agree disagree essay example. The question is, the growing number of overweight people is putting a strain on the healthcare system in an effort to deal with the health issues involved. Some people think that the best way to deal with the problem is to introduce more physical education lessons in the school curriculum. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So guys, either you can start writing your own introduction. I have written here mine. Starting with the overall, like the background statement. Owing to the problems which a growing population of overweight people cause for the healthcare system, followed by the paraphrasing of the question. Some people think that the key of solving these issues is to have more sports and exercises in school. I have combined the background and the paraphrasing of the question in 2 sentences, making it a complex sentence, thus qualifying the use of the advanced grammatical approach. And this is an example of a pretty good introduction. And then I use the line, this essay discusses the best way to tackle the issue of deterioration public health in relation to weight. So your introduction has got 3 sentences, defines and explains everything in concise and pretty good manner. And the perfect, I must say that your introduction word limit should be 40 to 60 words. And I guess it falls under the same. Now let's see the opinion essay example. Some people think that mobile phones are harmful for children, while others disagree. So it is discuss both sides and give your opinion. So let's see. Introduction. First, we need to write a background statement, which is starting from nowadays. The role of electronic gadgets in children's life is rising concern among adults. Then I have paraphrase the question, people hold different views as to whether mobile phones are detrimental to children or not. And here I have cited my opinion. This depends very much on how the phones are used and how the use is supervised as to whether they are harmful for children or not. So guys, these type of introduction I must consider acts as a magnet, creates the curiosity and the interest in the examiner, and you'll definitely going to have at least 7 band if your body paragraphs and the conclusions are synchronized in the same manner, follow the strategy which we have already discussed. So you keep on writing different introductions, keep me posted. I'm all here to share with the feedback, and all the best.